Well, good evening, guys. It's Patrick here, PCTV on YouTube, coming to you from the historic Main Street Car Show in Garden Grove, California, and it's Friday night, and woohoo! I am off work and I'm here at the show. Had a long week, broke my phone. I took a nice good hit tonight, and inside my military case of all things, and it broke inside of an OtterBox. But we've got some great stuff here, and we got to start with this trike first off. You know, it's not often you see a VW power trike with this kind of a crazy rake on it, and this was a husband and wife that came in today, and yeah, this is it's kind of rare stuff. So let's take a quick walk around this and just see, you know, something that, you know, all he's got his half hat, and there's no rise on these bars, and I think you can actually see over his triple trees. And there we go, the wife's got a little carbon fiber helmet in the back there. She's got lots of room to lounge. It's got the full top. Look at that, it's got a oh my gosh, I can't even think of it right now. Super Trap. It's got a little Super Trap setup on it. Oh, same basic carburetors I have on my Bug. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Remote oil filter setup. But it's all Bug based. It's got a tri-mill with, oh, what is that? I just said the spark arrestor. But anyway, it's a lot like a Super Trap. But enough time on this. Turn signals are built into the mirrors. Okay, here's our Monte Carlo, I believe it's 73. You guys have seen this one more than once. Again, the kitchen swing out seats. It's really loud tonight, so I'm gonna have to yell a little bit. Okay, we got a nice Roadster here, Ford V8. Guess it's 32. It's got a small block Chevy in it. It's got a little Camfather sticker in there. It's pretty cool. I like the blue. Very nice. And it is the 32. Here's the interior. Banjo wheel. Very cool. Deluxe banjo wheel. I love the drop with the Ford logo. Oh, it's very nice. Sammy, you gotta do something about your Mustang. I like the American racing wheels on it. A lot of goodness going on. Alright, be right back. Okay, the car alarm stopped, so we're back. And this is a nice little TVR. I saw this out at Donut Derelicts a while back, and this is a tubular frame. I thought it was wood frame. Very cool. There's the Mustang that keeps going off. Same as our GT500. I think Bob's Pinto has a GT500 motor in it. Walk over here. We got to look at the 61 bubble top. This thing's pretty sick. And grill's really sweet. Screwed together very nicely. Small block setup. Nice fan setup. Interior here, very sweet. Hey, no Latin gents tonight. That's who's missing. Love the Impala. Anyway, nice 61. Very clean. It's a bubble top.
Yeah.
And it's a nice 61. Anyway, everybody, whoops. I caught my power cord on a chair. Ha! Yeah, super clean, very nice car. I like it. Of course, I'm a sucker for an Impala. Great interior, dash, very clean. Nice car overall. We got the Franken-10 here. Okay, well, working between car alarms here, this Mustang keeps going off every 5 minutes. So I was wanting to get this 5 window in. This thing is just sick. Another 32. I bet you the car alarm is going to go off. She's a sweetheart there. Beautiful loop. We're working on this. Keep away from that Mustang.
I see Roger Chase basketball.
And another just really, really beautiful effort here. I love the aluminum panels. Got the Wanks. Oh my god, this car next to me is just driving me nuts. The alarm's been going off solid. Like the wheels on this. Look at this filler too. Great gas fill. Definitely points up for that. And I love just the louver and everything. Oh, let's not forget the top panel is also louver too. You can't forget that. Yeah, really nice effort. So that's what you're seeing tonight here at Garden Grove. That's just part of the view. And there's that beautiful 5 window right there. Here next to us we got a C20. This is like a camper special. I mean, you know, it's got the tie downs. It's had jacks on it at one time. You can see it's had the camper jacks on it. So this thing was definitely rolling the camper at one time in its life. So I don't know. I think you leave these alone. I kind of think you just leave them as they are, and if you can find a camper for them, put a camper back on them. But yeah, this was definitely a camper model at one time. Wow, I got Brad all of a sudden. Here's Brad Gaston's car. He's got the Hudson with the forklift in it. I gotta walk over here to get out of the sun. We got people blasting all over the place. Oh, this is the Kaiser, excuse me. Brad Gaston's Kaiser right here. Beautiful car. All right, and look at this Charger. Oh, baby. She's a sweetheart. This is a gorgeous car right here. Very, very nice. Interior, really spot on. Nice. As you can see, just really clean overall. Back off of that. Crossway here. I was just talking to Steve, oh gosh darn it. Look at Steve Smith. Anyway, this is his vet right here. He's had it since, gosh, he said he's had it like 27 years or something like that. So that's got to be some sort of a record. And beautiful car, very well done. A later model Mustang. Love this Chevelle, very sweet. Yeah, he's running a big block. 500, baby. That's what we go for, it looks like. Like the wheel setup. Running Willwoods. It's got a cage in it. And very nice interior all the way around. There's the cage work. Yeah, man, this looks comfortable in here. Spend some time hanging out there. Very sweet. So overall, nice setup. Very good stance. There you go. And that's the Super Sport for you. So we got the Camaro right here. And it's a 67. Added quite a bit. Hey, what's up, Lewis? And Don, how are you guys? What's up, man? Good to see you guys.
Join PCTV every Friday night.
What you got dangling there?
Oh, probably a power cord. It keeps popping off every time I try to take a high shot. It's just, you know, me and my equipment here. I dropped my phone in my OtterBox and it broke. It actually broke inside the OtterBox.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and that was in the OtterBox and it dropped. So I pretty much, if I'm going to put it through this stress test, I'm going to do it. That was great. Got to talk to Lewis and Dawn. It was fun. So back open here on the 67 Camaro. Love the work on this thing. Like I said, I love the ghosted in rally stripes and everything. Swing over here, and then we got a Ford F100.
And I remember he pulled in Sunday morning to go to their windshield.
Very clean.
There's like 4 or 5 more in the garage. 2 or 3
And he's been here before. Like his wheels. He's got the poverty caps as well. Now I've learned that's what these are called. Poverty caps. We always call them dog dishes, or yeah, we always call them dog dish caps. But now here in Pella Poverty Caps, it's pretty funny. Great dashboard on this. Like it. Metal bed. I don't know if this is 65, 67. I don't know these trucks very well. Probably the old cranks. And that's a black plate truck. So very cool. This is all Hooligans. There's a back shot of that Charger. Whoops, there's a back shot of that Charger over there. And then coming over here to that T-bucket that we see a lot in from the Hooligans. This car's been coming to the show forever.
He wants to be able to help her get in the car.
Maybe got live music going
He
again.
has to get in and she's got to get in by herself.
Nice car. Mouse and Mary's 356 is here. She said like everything else is broken, so we had to bring the Porsche. This is a beautiful Porsche. He's had it for years, like 28 years. This car. Very sweet, very clean 356. This restoration's, you know, again 25 years old at least. Called the Black Pearl. Been around. Beautiful car. Yep, that's Mouse and Mary's 356 Porsche. I think it's a 60, 56 maybe? Gosh, I don't know, guys. Help, please. You're here and ask him. Here's a nice little Mustang. Looks like a pony. Yeah, it's got a pony package on it. Yep, pony package. At least I know that about Mustangs, right? Very clean. Nice car overall. Now I lost Robert. He said he was going to come and hang out with me, but nowhere to be found. So here's another look at that 356. Let's see, Mustang, what is it, 70 or 69? Looks like maybe a 69. Let's get a look at this.
Yeah?
Nice motor setup.
Is that a hospital?
69? 70. Very clean car. I like the venting. It's very cool. Oh, there's that car next to it. Yeah, look at these guys, cup holders. Yeah, this is a clean car. Very sweet. All right, here's Ed's car. I believe it's a 40 Ford. Mr. Ed Hodges. The suicide doors, all the trick motor work. My buddy Ed. Dano's friend too, and a good friend of the club, Surf City Classics. And let's keep in mind that, you know, everything I shoot here is for Dano and Dano's memory. And that's the reason why I'm here. It's just you, my brother. Broski, Dano Live, Surf City Classics, in the family, in the house. I haven't seen Jerry yet tonight. Been looking for him. No luck. Here's Jerry's ride though. And this works. Very cool. There's Jerry's truck. Here's Mike Miller's 56. Little shot inside Jerry's little ride here. And then here's Ed's grandson's Mustang. I believe it's 67. And this is all original. It's got the 6-cylinder in it. And every day it's getting cleaner and cleaner. He's got the hood on it now. He's got a lot of work done to it. He's got his rack on it. Yeah, we got some people here who think they own the show all of a sudden. I don't know who they think they are, but you know, I'm trying to shoot my show too, acting like nothing going on. Nice vet here, convertible, 72. And yeah, it's walking the gauntlet a little bit tonight. We're walking the gauntlet. Anyway, nice vet. I'm guessing 72. Here's 73. That's a 70. At least the Carl's Jr. sign didn't give it away for me. Here's the tail up right here. Very sweet. around here, we gotta look at Mike Miller's car. And we got this beautiful 57 right here also. This is 55, 55. Very sweet car. Motor's all original. Even looks like the 262 V8 that originally came in here. Let's see what he says here. 210 Del Rey, 1955. Blue interior. Very sweet. All right, now we cruise over here. We're gonna take a look. There's a long bed, later model, C10. I'm guessing maybe 65. Might be 64. 64. It's a long bedder. Very cool. Of course, we got the beautiful Bel Air wagon right here, 57. A lot of those around here. Oh, I see a Spy DeLorean. Yeah, here's a nice Nomad. Very sweet. So Garden Grove, man, regular night. Looking good. This one's got a build book. It's running a small block with a dual carb setup on it. It's normally aspirated. Upgraded booster. More likely he's got all his discs and everything done. Let's see what he's got down here for brakes. Yeah, looks fairly stock. Looks like he's got bud nicks on here. Nice overall. And there's that 210 Del Rey from another angle. And then right here's a 72 Elko SS. Very pretty car. Truck, car, whatever. And then there's that two-door Bel Air 56 you'll see on the right here shortly, but let's take a look right now. Del Camino. Dianne's talking right now.
And don't forget to tip your band. Please tip your
Very
band.
sweet car.
Thank you.
So let's take
Very
a walk
good.
over and
Well, thank you. Glad to have you back. It's been a while. So I'm gonna
Get
let
Dianne
me play
talking
another
for a
song,
minute.
and then I'll do some advertisements, give them a break, and then we'll party on, right?
right. Well, that was Dianne. So I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a NASA pod, though.
Patrick, how you doing?
Good, how you doing? All right. Oh, Shavik's brought the Roadster here, and this is 6 is just so dope. And a nice little cab. That's our buddy. He's always good. Yeah, let me get the out of this car right here. Yeah, they just showed this thing bunch of custom shows here. I don't know if we get best in show, but man, it would come
He's the
close.
heaviest guitar in a gunny sack. To beneath the trees above the railroad tracks. So engineers you to see.
Alright, there's John's truck.
Drum to the rhythm of the driver's name.
Love his truck.
Oh, I would always stop and say, oh man, the damn needle got me bored. Go,
There you go,
Johnny,
Biscuit.
go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go.
Looking good. This time he doesn't have the top on. It's different when you see it with the top on.
Johnny, be good.
It's one of those times when he's got the top off. It's really cool. Very nice. That is so beautiful. Very cool. Right here at Azteca. Alright, so let's pan over. Looks like we got 4. What's up, John? How you doing? Speaking of, I just got his truck. Listen, look at this blower setup on here. It's badass. And this is a 3-window Very cool. We got some bikes coming in. But this 3-window is bad. Very, very cool. Beautiful scratch on it. Nice car. Very sweet. Like the shifter. Gotta get one more look at this. Look at that. Ford motor too. Well, at least that's what it says on here. Crazy. That's something else. Oh, and there's the backside of John's truck.
Dianne.
Very cool. Yeah, man, this thing's killer. I was just shooting it. So I'm gonna walk around and keep shooting. I was just talking. What's up, Cliff? How you doing? Good, how you doing? Good to see you, man. What's up, guys? There's Robert. Just hanging out with Tammy, having a little discussion. That was interesting. Love the tea buckets. We got a whole row of buckets here. Ton of tea buckets. Nice little small blocks up. A couple dual blocks, probably like 1406s. Nice interior for a bucket. Looks like you can almost sit there. So, well, thank you.
Great job on the show.
Hey.
Yeah, follow Patrick Comfort on Facebook and let's get him to 1,000 followers.
What's up,
And he's gonna
What's
have
up?
a drawing.
Hi.
Whoever's
I got a big
1,000
drawing. Got a big drawing
followers
coming up.
will win a prize we're putting together. I'm gonna work with him on that.
Thank you,
to get
Diane.
him up to 1,000. So check it out. Come get your beef jerky or snow cones. Here he is, PCTV,
Oh my God.
Comfortvision. Woo, Patrick. And so come on up, get your snow cones, your ice cream, all your sweet
you.
stuff, all your needs for your home and your backyard. There's all, you know, your
We got the camera on.
earrings,
That's
whatever
very
you
cool.
need.
We're gonna have a
Nails,
great
check
drawing.
it out.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's finish walking. I had to get over and get a little of what Diane was saying.
All right, so I'm gonna let, is Wally ready? No? Okay, Wally's on break,
Yeah,
so I'm
there's
going
the
to let Larry take it away with the music for a
All
little
right,
bit.
the music's gonna start, so we're
I'll
gonna get on
back
down
to
the
you guys
road.
in a few.
And there's these guys. I lost Robert again. He's hanging out with Cliff. What's up? Back to the tea buckets. That was fun. We got a 55 right here. Ooh, like the fish. Fishtails on this Harley. Very sweet. Nice car. Love the car. Forward Jeep, right? Volkswagen. Where's the motor? Hey.
There
Yeah,
he
live
is.
service. And you got the right shirt on too. You got an original Dano shirt.
Yep.
Yep, mine's falling
I
apart.
own 2 of these.
I wish I had my original one. Somebody snagged it from me and I got stuck with an old one.
Is that right?
Yeah, and I won't say who it is, but somebody we know. He's like, it's mine now, and I'm like, oh man, you're sticking me with the wrecked one. It's you. And I'm like, oh. I wish I could get one of those.
Yeah.
And here's that beautiful convertible that Tim's in all the time. Got the F100 here, the yellow one. All right. Here's, I believe this is Mike's truck. Yeah. This is a 65, I believe. Long better, yeah, it's Mike Nass's. Here's this Oldsmobile 1950 Rocket. This is super. Oh, Willie's here. Yeah. 4-door. Oh, this is the future. It's called a future ramming. I don't know if that's a transmission of the model. I don't know these very well. Not too good with the 4-door stuff. So back over we go here. Let's see if we can get this thing to go different direction than where it wants to go. Here's Willie. Hey, Willie, what's up, my brother? How you doing? Good to see you. You're here. Made it. All right. There goes Willie, owner of Willie's Automotive, and a huge sponsor here at Garden Grove. Willie's the man. You need work done, he is the guy. Willie's Automotive. All right, so back to it. New model Mustang. And we've got the 5 window here. Real steel. He's running, looks like he's going to head out. Yep, I think it's another early rollout. Okay. Come for as long as you want. Stay for as long as you want, right? Alright, so there's that Challenger RT. And it looks like we have a couple of Metros. Look at that. Here we go. A couple of nice Metros I like so much. Nice couple. I wish I knew their names. Maybe I'll find out right now. Owner, Chris. Okay. She's always here. And it looks like Tony. Chris and Tony Bellotti. So they're the owners of these two beautiful little Metros. Or Nash. Yeah, they're Nash Metros. What am I saying? Of course they are. They bring them almost every Friday. They're regulars to the show. And they're very cool cars. And they're actually a reasonable collector car still. You get them for decent prices. Take a look down this way. There's a 55. Very sweet. I like this convertible. Not sure what year it is, but it's very clean. Alright, take a jump over here. What is this, dude? Hood's off. Is it a Merc? Oh no, it's a shoebox. Got his flathead in there? Yep, look at that. Flathead. Very cool.
There's some guys that I saw. Oh yeah.
Interior. And a baby seat. Yeah, a nice shoebox. You got a baby seat. Very cool. Well, we're getting toward the end of Garden Grove. Here's another C10 later, like 64, 65. It's not an E-knocker. Got a Wile E Coyote, original cab. Little Force patina. Little Force patina on it. Alright.
Well, those guys, he completely made his own frame. But the patina, he matched what like parts of it. Is
There's a nice
what
bed
it
over
was,
here.
and the rest of it he matches.
Very nice blue. Really liking this vet. Car number 91. 1968 Corvette convertible. Very cool. Red interior. Look at that. Look at that blue. Whoa. Found the curb. Actually, I found the stop. Got the 76 ball on it. Very nice. Very cool. Alright, so that's about the end of the show for me. Got the, I believe it's a 59 panel. Sedan delivery. The Skane, might be the 60. And 4-door down there, 55. Alright guys, and one more look down the row here. Nice Challenger RT convertible. RT hardtop, excuse me. 2-door. It's like a Cuda. That thing's fun, huh? I love the battery in this thing. It's just a monster.
I love the motor in this thing.
I love the
That's
motor
a
in this
monster
thing.
too.
That's a monster too. The whole car is just a monster. It really is,
I
isn't
think
it?
this one might take mine.
It's pretty sweet. 426 Hemi with 14,250 original miles on it. So how's it? But he drives the thing. There's a trailer out of here. I wonder. All right, guys. Well, that is my walk around for Garden Grove for the week, and we'll tune in later. I'll catch the center parking lot a little bit and get just a little bit more footage. Good night. Yeah, it's